Hello. In this tutorial, in this video, we are going to see how to use this Bluetooth in the Nirmiti Shield. This is the Bluetooth module. After connecting this on the Nirmiti Shield, it will look like this. Also, in this tutorial, we are going to see how to use serial, that is UART, on in the Nirmiti board. On this we are going on this serial we are going to print some words or number, and that we are going to see in the serial monitor. Now let's open the Nirmiti software. We have opened the Nirmiti ID software. First of all, we will save the file. We have saved the file, and then we are opening the Nirmiti blocks. Nirmiti block has opened. Then first of all we will create a variable c. A c variable is created. Then we will set it to 0. We will set it to 0. Then we are going to print on serial c equal to c equal to, then set then set c2 set c2 set c2 set c2 c plus 1, set c2 c plus 1. Then we are going to print the value of c on the serial. To print value of c is a variable, number variable. So we are going to select this block, serial print number, and then attach this c to it. So value of c will be printed on the serial. Then we are control c control v, then new line. For new line, right here \n, and then we are giving some delay of 1 second. Now program is completed. Convert it to embedded C. Now embedded C program is generated. Now we are uploading the program. Okay, program is successfully uploaded. Now here you can see, where is camera. In camera you can see the Nirmiti board connected to the laptop, and I'm opening the serial monitor. Okay, in serial monitor you can see the values or string printed on the serial. Okay, it is now connected. So we can see value of c equal to, then c is incremented, then printed 1 2 3 4. The same, we can receive same values on the Bluetooth on mobile. So now we will see how to configure that. First of all we need to install this serial Bluetooth terminal app. I already installed it. Then we need to connect this Bluetooth to Nirmiti Shield. Okay, it is connected. Then go to Bluetooth, then search. We can see here it is it searched SC06. This is the name of our Bluetooth pair. Yeah, we are pairing it. Then write 1 2 3 4. Okay, now it is successfully paired. Then open this app. Then Okay, then go to devices and select this and connect. Now it is connecting to SC06. Now you can see the values of C is incrementing, and we are getting data wirelessly from Nirmiti Shield to mobile. Uh, now we will see how to receive the data. Here we are transmitting the data. Now we will see how to receive the data. For that, delete all the blocks except these two. Then we are going to receive a character, and according to that we are going to turn on and off the LED. First of all, we will turn off all the LEDs. Off, off, off. Then range green and red. All LEDs are turned off. Then if uh, take this comparison block, then if to receive the data from Bluetooth, pick this block. If read data on the Bluetooth is equal to the character O, if O is received, then we will turn on the green LED. Turn on green LED. Now Control C, Control V. If received character is F, then Control C, Control V. Then we are turning off the LED, green LED. Now program is completed. Now convert. Now embedded C code is generated, and then upload. First of all, then upload. Now I know uploading will be failed. Now you can see upload will fail because we have attached the Bluetooth is attached, and while Bluetooth is attached, program cannot be uploaded. Here you can see the program upload is failed because we can't upload the program while Bluetooth is attached. Now I have removed the Bluetooth. Now I'm uploading the program. Now program will be successfully uploaded. Okay, successfully uploaded. Now we will attach the Bluetooth module. Now Bluetooth module is attached. Then here you will see one button in the in the app. I have named it as a on, and value for it is O, and here I have renamed this button to off, and value send will be F. Now we are connecting here. Press this button. Now it is connecting to SC06. Okay, connected. Now we press this on button to send the O character. Now you can see green LED is on. Now to send the F button, press this button, F, off. Now LED is turned off. On, off, on, off, on, off. So in this way we can communicate with Nirmiti Shield or Nirmiti board wirelessly. Also, not only Bluetooth, we can turn it on and off using serial terminal also. For that, serial monitor. Sorry. For that, remove this Bluetooth. Now we will open the serial monitor. Serial monitor is already open. Now connect with serial monitor. Yeah, it now connected with the Nirmiti board, and we will send O or F. Now we are sending O. Send O. You can see the LED is on, and now sending F. You can see LED is turned off, on, off, on, and off. So more details you will find it on the official site of Nirmiti. This is Marathi blog. This is now. This is the English blog. I will paste this link in the description. You can see that. Hope you like this video. Please write your suggestions in the comment below, and thank you for watching this video.